just a little over 19 years ago, I was a pedestrian struck by an SUV. I spent an initial 3 months in the hospital after multiple surgeries. We did a limb salvage. I lived with that until 2022. And then in November of 22, I went back into the hospital with sepsis. The doctor told me that the leg needed to come off. So we removed the leg. I had an idea that the leg would be removed and they'd put a prosthetic on and I'd walk out of the hospital a few days later. And that wasn't the case. I met with Michael about 2 days after the surgery, I believe. And he came in and started getting me going, telling me what to expect. And he got me going pretty quick with a mechanical knee. And then working on a good check socket. Michael created several as I lost a little weight and my limb was shrinking, and finally found a great socket for me. It's a Moss socket and it's a skin fit and it's super comfortable. I'm doing things that I haven't done in 18 years, taking care of lawn maintenance, taking care of a home. I'm much more active. I get better every day. I went to physical therapy at the hospital, and then I went to physical therapy at CPR with Dennis, and we've come a long way. In the beginning, I didn't think I was going to get there. Michael would tell me, you're going to get there, it's just going to take some time. It's important that you have a good team. And I've been extremely comfortable and complimentary of Michael and Dennis. Obviously I couldn't have done it without them. I am 110% better than I was. There's no pain. I can actually carry my granddaughter around and walk. I wouldn't have been able to do that with my old leg. It's a long journey, but when it's over, it doesn't feel like it's a long journey. It seems like it was yesterday when we started this. And I gotta tell you, the payout is tremendous. It really is.